Around here, we are on a pinpoint weather alert. Let's bring in Michelle for more details on this wind you've been talking about. Some rain mixed in as well.
Yeah, that's coming up for tomorrow night. Today, though, we're going to hold on to the dry weather, just increasing clouds, but also increasing temperatures. Let's start off by taking a look at our live camera here in New Bedford, where it's mostly cloudy right now. Temperature, New Bedford area, down to 4 this morning, 10 Providence, 2 in Taunton, and 8 in Westerly. So we have jumped up 30 degrees in Westerly, and we're in the upper 30s in Providence, 38 Taunton, up above freezing now in Glendale and in Smithfield, Coventry, Richmond as well. So we're going to keep our threat tracker in the green for the rest of the day today and even during the daytime hours on Thursday. But that heads up for Thursday night and Friday. We do get a period of rain with downpours, isolated thunderstorm, gusty winds. As far as impacts go, could see some localized street flooding, and there's a risk of some isolated outages or wind damage, and that's what exactly this high wind watch means. It's a heads up here for that period of southwest winds. It could gust 50 to 60 miles per hour from Thursday evening through Friday morning. So southeast Connecticut and eastern Long Island included in that, as well as Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. Peak wind gusts, best chance at 60-mile-an-hour gusts would be south and east of Providence with 45 to 55-mile-an-hour wind gusts, mostly north and west of the city. We're nowhere near that for wind gusts right now, but it's a little breezy out there, gusting 20 to 30 miles per hour this afternoon, pushing our temperatures gradually up. We'll be keeping on climbing. 40 at 3 o'clock, 41 at 5 in the evening, and then tonight, talk about a huge difference from those single digits last night and the night before to temperatures staying in the 40s during the night. So gusty and mild when you start your day at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. And from there, our temperatures will just continue to soar, middle and upper 50s tomorrow afternoon. Record high to beat is in the 60s. So we're not quite there, but we are well up above average. Looking at our live radar, unfortunately, yeah, that's warm air comes at a cost. We've got a cold front that's approaching. There's going to be some wintry weather and some heavy rain along that front. For our area, the path that this takes brings that surge of warm air into our area. So we're just starting to get that underway. And ahead of that cold front, we'll see rain all the way up into northern New England on Thursday morning. Most of the showers hold off for our area until the evening and nighttime hours. Widespread rainfall later Thursday night into Friday morning as that low lifts to the north and west of us. Notice how as the colder air comes back in, it's changing over to some snow over northern New England, but locally just rain, gusty winds and thunder. That front should be pushing offshore during the Friday morning commute, so drying out for the second half of the day, but also turning sharply colder. Here's another recap. About a half an inch to an inch of rain that we're expecting from that cold front. Winds gusting 50 to 60 with street flooding, isolated outages and wind damage for the impacts. As we look at our 7-day forecast, up and down our temperatures go. 41 for this afternoon, upper 50s tomorrow. Check out these Friday temperatures, not our typical time that we would see a high temperature. It happens very early in the morning. By noon, we're down to the lower 40s, and by 5 o'clock in the evening, middle 30s. So much colder finish to the day. That cool, dry air settles in for Saturday and Sunday. Maybe a flurry in a few locations Saturday. Sunday looks dry, and Monday, much milder for President's Day, lower 50s. Another chance for some rain next Tuesday.